There are times when you're lucky, like for me it happened with Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I just had to more or less be myself. It's always nice to be appreciated in a way where people vote for you more than anything else, and I guess it's a result of all the films that I've done and all the characters that I've played. So it's fun. I mean, you can't take these things very seriously, but it's fun.
हर बार कैसे कर लेती है कि मतलब 100 लोग, इसमें भी 100 लोग हैं, वो आपके पीछे रहेंगे, मतलब 99 लोग जो आपसे पीछे हैं वो तो आपसे जेलस होंगे ना, तो ये आप हर बार कैसे करते हो?
You can't take these things seriously. This year it's me, next year it'll be somebody else, last year it was someone else. You have to live in the moment, and they've been nice enough to choose me as number one, and it's a nice feeling, and we're all here to celebrate that. Yeah.
Deepika, what do you think has led to this particular title? What do you think you've done? Because you have carved your image very strategically. You have all these brand endorsements, 16 of them, so as to say. Do you think you've strategically moved towards making this your forte?
I've never looked at my career as like a game of chess where you can strategically place, and there's no game plan as such. I don't think you can. I think everything is instinctive and everything comes from the heart. I think something like this really is a result of the work that I do. I don't think it has anything to do with me physically.
And brand endorsements in particular?
Sure, definitely. But I also think that the brand endorsements also are a result of the films that you do. I am an actor, and for me that is my priority. I think I've been very fortunate to have, in the last 2-3 years, the kind of roles that I've done have been very, very different from each other, and I've got the opportunity to do that and to play different characters. So I guess something like this, or the brand endorsements that you're talking about, are a result of that, and of course I guess the success of that, and I guess the relatability of the characters.
इंडिया का बजट आने वाला है, बजट देख के थोड़ा सा हाँ आपकी क्या राय, क्या सस्ता और क्या महंगा?
What is your opinion on the budget? वो तो हर साल हम यही कहते हैं ना.
आप इंडिया को अच्छी तरह से मोटिव करती हैं अपनी पिक्चरों में.
Okay, first of all, I don't think this is the right platform to be discussing something as serious as the budget. That's one. Secondly, I don't think I'm qualified enough, or no, I don't think I have enough knowledge to just make a random comment about something that I'm not very, very clear about. So once I study a little, or I know from someone who knows enough about it, I can always share my views with you.
Find It Tiny Fernandez, has been making headlines. We don't know about your look, and
You see tomorrow.
What did you think about Arjun's look? How it seems carefully crafted, very carefully crafted, very.
I think Arjun was perfect for the part. I think our trailer is launching now in a couple of days with Lekar Hum Deewana Dil, which is a film that I'm really looking forward to. Yeah, I think when I read the script, I couldn't think of anyone else but Arjun. I think he really fits the part. As an actor, there are times where you have to work towards looking like that part, but and there are times when you're lucky, like for me it happened with Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I just had to more or less be myself, and I think this film is like that for him, and I think he's fabulous in the film. But more importantly, I think the fact that I got the opportunity to work with Naseeruddin Shah, Dimple Kapadia, Pankaj Kapoor, 5 of us for 1 month in Goa in a car, was a fantastic learning experience.